Is hummus keto friendly? Well, according to the USDA, 100 grams of commercially made hummus has 14 grams of total carbs, from which 6 is dietary fiber, making it 8 grams of net carbs per 100 grams. And homemade hummus has about 20 grams of total carbs, from which 4 is fiber, making it 16 grams of net carbs. Now, irrespective of how accurate this information is, 100 grams of boiled chickpeas has 27 grams of total carbs, from which 8 are dietary fiber, making it 19 grams of net carbs. So I guess it's safe to say that hummus is keto friendly, but it is best consumed in moderation. Also, chickpeas are slow digesting or complex carbs, so it's not the same as eating rice or bread or pasta, so it's really up to you whether you want to have a little bit of hummus or not. But why not check out my recipe for keto hummus, which is only 3 grams of net carbs per serving. The recipe is on my YouTube channel. And if you have any